How to change website name in Wix 2022. Change domain name in Wix. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your website name in your Wix.com webpage. So it's going to be very easy and very simple. A lot of people complicate these things with their domain name and other things like that. It's not too difficult. I'm just going to walk you through it all, and it's going to be very simple and very easy. So just sit back and relax and make sure to watch the video till the end with all the instructions, because I'll be explaining fully and in detail. So just listen and hear me out, and I guarantee you by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to change your website name on Wix. So without further ado, let's go right into it. First of all, you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your Wix.com or your manage.wix.com/dashboard. Now, once you're over there, obviously you're going to see all these different options over here. This is a big dashboard. If you're not familiar with it, I suggest you do get familiar with it, because obviously all the work happens over here. Now, once you're over here, what's going to happen is that you're first of all going to make sure that your account is fully it's set it up. Now, once it's set it up, now what you want to do is you want to change your website's name. So right now, your website name, not the most appealing, obviously. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to come up here. As you can see, my website name right now is this, and it's .wixsite.com/electronics. Now let me explain something to you, that a website name consists of two things. So first of all, it's your account name, which is this right here. This is my account name for this account. And then it's your site name, which is obviously electronics, which is my site name. So account name and site name. Now, obviously, to change the site name, you have to basically connect any domain that you have bought. That is what you can choose to change site name, which is why it says connect your own domain. And you can just connect that, and that changes the site name. But obviously, if you want to change this over here, for that, you're going to have to buy Wix's proper premium plan. So to give you more info on that, we're going to come up here where it says site actions, and over here it says rename site. So I'm just going to click on that. And once I click on that, over here it says site name. This is your site name. So obviously, to change these things, as I just told you, you're going to have to connect your own domain. And once you connect your own domain, what it's going to do is it's just going to make life much easier for you, and you can easily add your very own site names. And over here, you can change your URLs. Let's say if you change your site name over here, let's say I'll change it to electricity, from electronics to electricity. And over here, I'm going to do the same thing. So that changes my outer domain. Now, to change this, obviously it says connect your own branded domain, for which we have to upgrade the plan. And once we upgrade the plan, all you need to do is save, and it automatically saves your plan. Obviously, you can see my free plan is over here, and if you want to update your plan, just go on compare plans, and from there on you can update it. So yeah, that's basically how easy and simple it is to change your website name from Wix. So yeah, that's the basic. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.